Be blessed by the divine. Meditation training affects distribution of limited brain resources. The findings of a research by a leading set of scientific researchers recently discovered. The information processing capacity of the human mind is limited, as is evidenced by the so-called attention-blink deficit. When two targets, let's say T1 and T2, embedded in a rapid stream of events are presented in close temporal proximity, the second target is often not seen. This deficit is believed to result from competition between the two targets for limited attentional resources. Using performance in an attentional-blink task and scalp-recorded brain potentials, that meditation or mental training affects the distribution of limited brain resources. 3 months of intensive meditation training resulted in a smaller attentional blink and reduced brain resource allocation to the first target, as reflected by a smaller T1 elicited P3B, a brain potential index of resource allocation. The individuals that showed the largest decrease in brain resource allocation to T1 generally showed the greatest reduction in attentional blink size. These observations provide novel support for the view that the ability to accurately identify T2 depends upon the efficient deployment of resources to T1. The results also demonstrate that mental training can result in increased control over the distribution of limited brain resources. The study supports the idea that plasticity in brain and mental function exist throughout life and illustrates the usefulness of systematic mental training in the study of the human mind. The findings demonstrate that meditative training can improve performance of a novel task that requires the trained attentional abilities. Be blessed by the divine.